Well, I got two packages here which got delivered to me today. Well, one of these packages is very important because I was thinking about getting it since a very long time. Desperately needed something which would be enough, sufficient enough for me so that I could make more and more of my vlogs. So I decided to get a hard disk, an external hard disk. So, yep. So I went ahead and placed an order just I think 3 days ago from eBay India, as you can see. And after 3 days, boom, I got my packages. So now I'm gonna skip with all this bakwas and I will just open it. Now I will try and open it with one hand. Let's see if I can succeed. Screw it. 1 second, let me just... Okay, so this is the box which I got. Okay, I must be able to open this now. Screw it. 1 second. Check out the packing in this. Look at this. They put all thermocol and all. Nice. So here it is. This is what I wanted. Let me focus it. Focus. Focus! Okay. This is what I wanted all these days, and I finally got it. Now, how much did I get it? Let's see how much it's written on the box. Oh, damn it, it's not focusing only. 1 second. How much did I get it for? 1 second. I know how much I got it for, obviously. Well, on the box, what is it written? I don't see anything on the box. Here it is, sorry. Let me focus properly. Focus! Okay, on the box, it's written 6,000 bucks. Focus. Focus! Okay, 6,000 rupees. But I got it for 4,166 rupees. So it's an okay kind of deal. You know, I was looking online to get it from a site which had the cheapest, where this item was available for the cheapest rate. But I just thought, what the hell, yeah, it's 100-200 rupees. It's not going to make much of a difference. So I just went in for a much more reliable seller. I hope this product, stays nicely with me, and I bought it. So not much of an issue. So I finally got my hard disk, and as you can see, it's 1 terabyte, and it's got a 3-year warranty. So hopefully I won't have any problems with it. Now I'll just open this box and show you what all is there inside. Okay, so please bear with me since I'm doing a one-handed kind of operation here. Yeah, so this is the hard disk. How should I open this? Hold on again. So this is the external hard disk. Well, it's pretty nice. Yep. Now actually the company WD Elements, I think WD Elements, it doesn't provide a cover with the hard disk, so you have to go and buy another cover for this. So I went ahead and I bought another cover, a cover from the same website, and I'll check that out in a minute. Well, till now you see this. This is the cable, the USB cable to connect it and all. You all must be knowing all this. So anyways, I'm not going to show you that. And you got these booklets for the warranty cards and all. So you don't need that. So I'll just keep this inside, and I'll get back to opening the other package. All right, just hold on, okay? Anyways, before that, I'll just show you what all is written on the box. This drive keeps your memories and files protected, private and synchronized. Das Laufwerk, das ihr innen gun en Daten schützt en synchronisiert en daarvoor zorgt Das ir Daten Verluch. I don't know. It's written in German. Okay. So what is this? This is a Passport Ultra and automatic backup, hardware encryption, whatever that means. Windows 10. Okay. So what all is there? What else? What is this? Let me read this. Compatibility. This is more important. Backup software offers automatic and local cloud backup options. 256-bit hardware encryption to help keep your files secure. Compatibility: Windows 8, Windows 7, or Windows Vista. Vista is worst operating system ever. Anyways, requires reformatting for Mac OS. I don't have a Mac, so I don't need reformatting. Okay, I have a Windows 8 laptop, so good enough for me. So that's about it. Now I'll get back to my other package. Second package. Okay. Now, obviously, this is the cover for my external hard disk. Now let's open it. So I opened it, and now I'll take it away. There you go. This is the cover. It's not expensive. It's about 170 rupees. It's actually 170 rupees only. I even applied a discount coupon of 14 rupees. Oh, stupid discount coupon. I thought that coupon would give me like around 100 rupees off. Actually, I had applied it for both these items, the cover as well as the external hard disk. And I thought at least I'll get about 100, 102, 100 to 150 rupees off. But the stupid people gave me just 14 rupees off. And they said that it's not applicable for the external hard disk. So okay, it's okay, fine. If you don't want to give a discount, okay, fine. Don't talk to me. Okay, so yep, I think they don't give you discounts on computer components. Maybe, I don't know. But for your information, I had got the discount coupon from Tata Sky, because when you recharge your Tata Sky whatever your package, your monthly package, you get discount coupons for various things. So one of them was, I think, eBay, and yeah, so I applied that coupon and I got a whopping discount of 14 rupees. Anyways, so this is the thing here. Come on, out. Just hold on. Yep, so this is my hard disk, and this is my cover. What is this? So I put my hard disk inside the cover, and it's very nice. For 175 rupees, it's got this cushion, and I'm sure it can take a fall. I'll just throw it one more time here. I'm kidding. Okay, by mistake, if it falls, then I'm sure it'll protect. Okay, so it's very nice. See, it's got this padding over there. Wow, I'm really happy with this. So guys, I showed you two items today: hard disk and a cover, and I hope to make many more vlogs for you. So आप लोग के आशीर्वाद से good wishes and all, I hope I can carry on what I've started. So thank you for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe, and yep, I'm really enjoying it. Thank you again. So bye bye, take care, and have fun.